going on? I'm back once again using the GoPro Hero 9. I'm currently waiting for a mate.
I'm just waiting for a mate.
Also known as AMAZINGGGG MTB. We're riding Hunchback. Oh, what do you know? There he is. Don't freeze up, don't freeze up!
G'day boys, how are you?
We're going to Hunchback and he's on his purple and whatever colour that is, purple red slash. We're going, and we're going. We'll see you on the hill. Actually, when we're climbing up. Ah, fuck, that's heavy. Yo, smoking. Yum.
Feeling like steak sometimes. I never do that. 50.
Yeah, I know.
It's pretty cheap. They're actually not bad.
Do not enter. Ooh. Fucking swooped. Holy fuck. They're coming around again. We're getting swooped. Magpies are coming. Fuck. Jesus. Beep. We at rock and roller. Time to get a photo. Yep. That look good? Yeah. Haha. Bang. No, fuck that. Seat's gonna go up actually. Better. Beautiful. Going on, we're back, we're going down, rock and roller. We got some 2 riders behind us and we're going down. Meow. We're gonna go down here. Whee. I'm not gonna fucking jump, there's no speed. We're pedaling. Meow. Woo! Pumping. Whoa, it's so flat. What is this? What the fuck? Whoa. Maintenance here. Whoa! What do they do here? Oh, right. Nothing new. Haven't changed much. Whew. Leaning the bike. Haven't been in ages actually. It's fucking sick. Oh my god! Should be paying attention. That was bad. Hear the creaks in my back, my bike. Oh, can't see anything there. Then a rock roll. Oh. Staying high, hop there, down here. And damn, it is flat here. And damn, I'm thirsty. Woo. Probably be a short video, but actually no, it won't be short because I'm going down a rock and roller. I'm getting so tired already. Overgrown. I don't know what line to take here. Oh, what? It's so smooth. What? It's so quick. What do they do? What the fuck? Everything's changed. So much easier now. Oh, it's so smooth. Wow. Hear the cables rattling in my bike. No cable freaking there. Oh. There's no support in these berms. We'll say that. Pump, pump. I haven't fixed this yet, I'll tell you that. So you're braking before the corners, roll off. I'm unfortunately very bad at still doing that. Whoa. High speed mountain bike riding. Foot out, flat out. My pedals are off. I'm not clipped in. Not good. We're cruising down. Whoa, it's so smooth. Table. Woo. Very stiff, but I'm always stiff when I'm jumping. Oh, I'm gonna focus. It's so overgrown. And you can't see shit. Oh, it was fucking terrible. I don't even know what line to take there. Should have just gapped off it, if anything else. Woo. Pump, pump, pump. Oh, almost died. Almost went in the grass. Oh, Jesus. Fucking Christ. Couple of needs yesterday. That track has changed a lot. I think too much. Oh. Right. Wait till these guys get done.
That's pretty sick, mate, in the bottom section, eh?
The bottom section.
How they've changed all of where that A-line is. My
hands hurt. Fucking hurt. So much easier at the rock garden.
Oh, it's like a road, isn't it?
They smoothed it all out.
I come in and I come in fine, then braked hard. I was like, oh, fuck.
Well, I went slow, expecting it to be rough.
Yep.
But, unfortunately, that was not the case. Whee! Down here, down here. Why? Fucking sandy. Bit sandy. Oh, I'm fucking shit at cornering. Ah. Oh, inside, what is this? Oh no. It's so busy, what the hell? So many cars. Right, oh my gosh, I'm not going down that. Hashtag save Hunchback Hill. Do not go on the right. Just, what is this? E line, B lines? Whee! Oh my ass! Meow, meow. Oh, howdy.
Hey mate, alright.
Seeing you once again.
Did you see the snake on the way down?
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I nearly rode over it.
Oh, fuck, yeah.
It was where,
That's
you know,
sick.
where you got, going down, you got the A line where you got, near the bottom, you got the rocky section, or the B line, you can go around the berm.
Yep, yep.
Well, he was, where we were riding up, he was sitting in the rocks there. I pedalled about to pop my wheel up, and then I leant back, put the back brakes on, and nearly flew up.
That's at the bottom part with that rock roll. Oh,
Yeah.
damn.
Yeah, no, he was just laying there on the rock.
That's sick.
Yeah, no, I don't like snakes.
Oh, that's not sick.
Slippery lesson.
There's Paddy Layla, guys. Most famous man at Hunchback Hill. Hashtag GoPro Hero 9. Get it, boys. Give us a whip. Give us a whip. Alright, we're going back. Bye.